Have you ever woken up, rubbed your eyes, and found the world frustratingly out of focus? The clock numbers fuzzy, the sunlight stinging, and for a few minutes, it feels as if your vision hasn't quite caught up with the rest of you. This isn't an isolated incident. This phenomenon, encompassing blurry vision, a gritty dryness, and the slow warming up your eyes seem to need each morning, affects more people over the age of 60 than you might ever imagine. Crucially, it's not always just a normal, unavoidable part of aging. In fact, these consistent morning visual struggles and discomforts can be clear indicators that your eyes, during the restorative hours of sleep, weren't receiving the vital support and nourishment they truly required to rejuvenate themselves. However, there's incredibly good news. You possess the power to rectify this frustrating situation, and you can achieve it without the need for daily pills, without constantly relying on temporary relief from eye drops, and without incorporating any complex or burdensome routines into your life. Tonight, I want to reveal something remarkably simple, yet profoundly effective. Just 3 common, everyday foods, when eaten before bed, can work synergistically to help your eyes deeply hydrate, meticulously repair at a cellular level, and astonishingly enable you to wake up with vision that feels naturally sharper, clearer, and far more comfortable. If this marks your first visit, welcome. I'm Dr. James Porter, and over my 30-plus years working with older adults, I've observed firsthand how minor, deliberate changes, especially those implemented before sleep, can lead to significant and often transformative improvements in how your eyes feel and function upon waking. If you prioritize your health and are weary of being told that blurry vision or ocular discomfort is merely an acceptable consequence of aging, then you are precisely where you need to be. For new viewers, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. This ensures you won't miss the simple, practical, and empowering tips I share every week, designed to help your body heal and maintain its strength as you age. Now let's delve into the first crucial food on our list, the one that sets everything vital in motion while you sleep. Let's talk about something many people, especially those over 60, often overlook: prunes. While commonly seen as a simple digestive aid, prunes may be doing far more for your eyes than you realize. Your eyes depend on a delicate network of tiny blood vessels, called capillaries, to deliver essential oxygen and nutrients to the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye where vision begins. The retina cannot repair or function properly without a steady blood supply. As we age, these capillaries can become narrower, stiffer, and less efficient, a problem often worsened by common senior conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. This means essential nutrients might not effectively reach your eyes, much like watering a garden with a kinked hose. This is where prunes become incredibly valuable. Prunes powerfully help your blood vessels, particularly the tiny capillaries behind your eyes, maintain flexibility. When these vessels stiffen, blood flow slows, preventing vital nutrients like lutein, vitamin A, and antioxidants from reaching the retina where they are needed most. Prunes help clear this path, being rich in vitamin K1, a nutrient supporting capillary health and keeping tiny blood vessels open and strong. Research suggests higher vitamin K1 intake can contribute to healthier microvascular structures in the eyes, supporting overall eye health as we age. Furthermore, prunes are loaded with potassium, crucial for eye health. While you sleep, intraocular pressure can naturally rise, and in people over 60, it sometimes remains elevated longer than it should, causing that puffy or foggy morning feeling. Potassium helps regulate this pressure, maintaining stable fluid balance and protecting your optic nerve from long-term damage. Studies suggest sufficient dietary potassium consumption may decrease the risk of glaucoma. Another quiet benefit: prunes contain lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants found in leafy greens. These settle in the macula, acting like internal sunglasses to shield your eyes from harmful blue light and support sharper vision in low light. So, by eating prunes, you're not just ensuring nutrient delivery, you're also providing direct protection to sensitive parts of your visual system. I recall a patient, 74, who after eating 2 prunes before bed for 3 weeks exclaimed, "My eyes don't feel foggy anymore. I wake up seeing clearly." This is the power of restored circulation. To try this yourself, choose unsweetened, unsulfured prunes. Eat 1 to 2 pieces about 45 minutes to an hour before bed, plain or chopped into plain Greek yogurt. Prunes are low glycemic, meaning they won't spike blood sugar, and can even help stabilize it overnight. This is vital, as blood sugar swings can temporarily distort the eye's lens, contributing to early morning blur. Thus, think of prunes as the essential first step in empowering your eyes to repair, rehydrate, and greet the morning with clarity. With blood flow optimized by prunes, your eyes are ready for nourishment. But how do we protect these nutrients and fragile retinal cells from damage while you sleep? Your eyes don't stop working at night. The retina is busy repairing, processing light signals, and rebuilding key proteins like rhodopsin, essential for low-light vision. This nocturnal activity, however, generates oxidative stress, tiny bursts of cellular wear and tear that accumulate overnight. Left unchecked, this can lead to early breakdown of retinal cells, optic nerve damage, and faster age-related vision loss. We need a shield that quietly protects your eyes as you sleep. That shield is pistachios. These small nuts are exceptionally eye protective. They are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that slips into the fatty membranes of your eye cells, particularly your rods and cones, helping neutralize oxidative stress before it causes harm. This nutrient has been linked to a slower rate of macular degeneration in older adults, especially when from whole foods like nuts, but that's just one defense layer. Pistachios also contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These pigments settle in the macula, acting as natural filters to block harmful blue light and reduce glare, particularly at night or under artificial lighting. For those who struggle with sleep, pistachios offer an unexpected benefit. They are among the richest natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that signals to your brain it's time to rest. Research indicates pistachios contain significant amounts of melatonin, with some analyses reporting around 660 nanograms per gram, making them a rich nut source. This means they don't just protect your eyes, they help your whole body relax, giving your eyes the deep, uninterrupted rest needed to recover. They're also a good source of magnesium and vitamin B6, supporting the optic nerve and helping regulate tear production overnight. I had a patient, Linda, 68, who reported, "My eyes feel dry in the morning, and night driving is a nightmare. The glare makes it impossible." Adding 6 pistachios to her routine, 30 minutes before sleep, brought a change in 2 weeks. "My eyes aren't scratchy anymore. I drove home from book club last night without squinting. Simple, natural, effective." To try this, look for unsalted, raw, or dry roasted pistachios. Eat 5 to 7 nuts about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. If nuts are hard to digest at night, pair them with a small spoonful of plain yogurt or a few kiwi slices for added vitamin C and hydration. Avoid salty foods or caffeine before bed, as they can counteract the calming effects. So, with prunes opening the roads, pistachios now guard the path. Your retina gets protection, your optic nerve gets support, and your body receives the gentle signal to rest, repair, and reset. With pathways cleared by prunes and protection established by pistachios, the final crucial step is rebuilding. Protection alone isn't enough. Your eyes need cellular restoration throughout sleep. For this, your body requires raw materials, nutrients to repair membranes, hydrate tissues, and rebuild structures for clear, moist, sharp vision. This is where chia seeds enter, small but packed with eye-repairing power. They are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, vital for rebuilding the outer membranes of your retinal cells. As we age, these membranes thin and lose flexibility, leading to dry eyes, slower focusing, or light sensitivity upon waking. Regular chia seed consumption provides the essential fats needed to rebuild these fragile cells and restore clear, strain-free vision. Researchers have also found that omega-3s from chia seeds help calm inflammation in the retina and support natural tear production, particularly beneficial for older adults with dry eyes. Unexpectedly, chia seeds also aid hydration. When soaked, they form a gel that slows digestion, supports fluid retention, and stabilizes blood sugar overnight, crucial for clear morning vision. This gel effect supports tiny tear glands, keeping your eyes smoother, more comfortable, and less gritty upon waking, instead of drying out. One more quiet benefit: chia seeds contain tryptophan, which your body uses to produce melatonin, gently promoting deeper sleep. The deeper the sleep, the better your eyes repair. I had a patient, Mr. Alvarez, 71, who started eating soaked chia with banana and cinnamon an hour before bed. After 2 weeks, he reported, "I'm not waking up with dry eyes anymore. They feel calm, not tight." To try this, mix a tablespoon of chia seeds into a small glass of water or almond milk. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes until it forms a gel. Soft, easy to digest, and absorbable. Enjoy it plain or stir in banana slices, cinnamon, or even a chopped prune for combined benefits. If soaking is too much effort, sprinkle dry chia seeds into plain yogurt. It works, though soaked chia offers stronger hydration. Either way, you're giving your eyes the materials to rebuild what time has worn down. Prunes open the roads, pistachios protect the path, and chia seeds help restore what's been lost. It's not magic, it's nutrition, timing, and giving your body what it needs most. You've now seen how each food works: prunes for nutrient access, pistachios for nightly retinal protection, and chia seeds for cellular repair. The real magic, however, unfolds when they work together. This isn't just a snack, it's a simple, calming ritual that tells your body, it's time to rest, it's time to heal. It takes less than 5 minutes. Here's how I recommend incorporating it. After dinner, in a quiet moment before bed, take a small dish. Add 2 prunes and 5 or 6 unsalted, raw pistachios. Prepare a small serving of soaked chia seeds. If pre-soaked, they're ready. Otherwise, mix a spoonful into almond milk or water and let them soften for at least 20 minutes. You can eat these 3 components separately or mix them into a small bowl of plain yogurt. Some enjoy adding banana slices or a pinch of cinnamon for taste and relaxation. The key is consistency, not perfection. Eat this combination about 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Ideally, do so without distractions. No screens, no rushing, just you, your breath, and the knowledge that you're doing something powerful for your body. I often suggest pairing this moment with a cup of chamomile tea or warm lemon water, not for added nutrients, but because it signals to your nervous system that it's okay to let go. You don't have to follow this routine every single night, but doing it most nights, especially when your eyes feel tired, irritated, or foggy, can make a noticeable difference. Some patients alternate ingredients, swapping prunes with a medjool date or using kiwi instead of banana for extra vitamin C and hydration. This is perfectly fine. What truly matters is the rhythm, the intention, and giving your body the tools it needs to support you through the night. You're not just eating, you're signaling. You're letting your body know it's safe to repair. And when you wake up with clearer vision, less strain, and more ease in your eyes, you'll feel the difference. It doesn't require a supplement or prescription, just a few small bites taken with care. That's the ritual, and your body will thank you for it. Sometimes, amidst the clamor for quick fixes and complex solutions, we tend to forget that the most profound and powerful healing often doesn't emerge from a pill, a surgical procedure, or a fleeting trend. Instead, it springs from consistent effort, from clear intention, and from the quiet, deliberate choices we make each and every day to nurture our well-being. What you choose to eat before bed may seem like an insignificant detail, a minor habit in the grand scheme of your daily life, but to your body, and particularly to your eyes, it speaks volumes. A few wholesome prunes, a handful of nutrient-rich pistachios, and a spoonful of nourishing chia seeds. Each plays its distinct and crucial part, yet each also profoundly supports the others, creating a powerful synergy. This isn't presented as a rigid treatment plan or a medical prescription. It's far more fundamental than that. It's a signal, a soft, steady rhythm that resonates deep within your physiology, reassuring your body, I am still taking care of myself. I am still here, tending to my needs. And that profound affirmation truly matters because the journey of aging doesn't inherently mean losing control over your health or resigning yourself to inevitable decline. Rather, it signifies an invaluable opportunity to learn how to support your body in smarter, kinder, and more intuitive ways. Understand this deeply. You are not broken. Your body, with its incredible capacity for resilience and repair, has not given up on you. Sometimes, amidst the stresses and demands of modern life, It simply needs a little gentle help, a little consistent support, and a generous dose of patience to reactivate its innate healing mechanisms. If you have stayed with us until the very end of this video, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude. Thank you for dedicating your precious time to genuinely care about your health, for showing up for yourself, and for investing in the clarity and comfort of your future vision. If this video has offered you something helpful, an insight, or a practical tip that resonates, I would be immensely grateful if you would give it a like. Please also feel free to share it with someone you know who might benefit from a gentle reminder that natural healing, and indeed clearer vision, is still entirely possible and within reach. Leave a comment below and tell me how your eyes have been feeling lately. I would truly love to hear your personal story and connect with you. And if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to our channel. I consistently share practical, natural, and empowering ways to support your health every single week. Until next time, I'm Dr. James Porter, and here's to calm, restorative nights, clear, vibrant mornings, and eyes that continue to serve you beautifully every single day of your amazing life.